Welcome back. Today we've got a 6-bike wall mount rack. We're going to install it under the front patio here so that we could bring the bikes inside the house and bring it outside. The wall mounts. These are the standoffs, and these are the hooks that'll grab the bikes. Ideally, we want to hang our bikes up like this. Alright, so according to the instructions, seeing as how the front of the wheel to the back of the wheel is about 6 feet, we're gonna shoot for 6.5 feet to mount the top rail. We're given these 10mm anchors, which comes out to approximately 0.393 inches. And all I have are these 3/8 inch drills. So we're gonna have to make do with what we got. So we're gonna want to bore our hole up this deep, and no deeper. Just for future reference, you're going to need a 13mm hex head in order to secure this lag screw. So on the far end here, there's 2 small holes for these hex screws to secure these beams so it doesn't move.